What if I told you that the smartphone in your hand contains a metal that could theoretically become gold? For thousands of years, kings, emperors, and alchemists chased one impossible dream: turning ordinary copper into pure gold. But what if that dream wasn't completely impossible? What if modern science actually discovered a way? And if it's possible, why isn't every country manufacturing gold today? Let's uncover one of humanity's greatest scientific mysteries. For over 2000 years, alchemists searched for the legendary Philosopher's Stone. They believed a magical substance could transform cheap metals like copper and lead into precious gold. Kings funded experiments, empires spent fortunes, some even lost entire kingdoms chasing this dream. But century after century, failure followed failure. People laughed at the idea, scientists called it impossible. Yet surprisingly, the alchemists were wrong for the right reasons. Here's where things get fascinating. Copper and gold are not just different metals, they're different elements. Every copper atom contains 29 protons. Every gold atom contains 79 protons. To transform copper into gold, you'd need to add 50 extra protons into the atom's nucleus. That sounds impossible. But modern nuclear physics discovered something extraordinary. Atoms can actually be changed. Scientists call this process nuclear transmutation. In other words, modern science achieved what ancient alchemists only dreamed about. During the 20th century, physicists began smashing atoms together at incredible speeds. Inside powerful particle accelerators, they successfully transformed one element into another. And yes, tiny amounts of real gold were produced. Not fake gold, not gold-plated metal, actual gold atoms. For the first time in human history, the dream became reality. The impossible became possible. But there was a massive problem. Imagine spending $100 million to create $1 worth of gold. Particle accelerators are among the most expensive machines ever built. They consume enormous amounts of electricity, require highly trained scientists, need years of operation, and after all that effort, you might create only microscopic quantities of gold, sometimes just a few atoms. Not grams, not milligrams, just atoms. The production cost is millions of times higher than simply mining gold from the earth. Economically, it's a complete disaster. But money isn't the only issue. Many transmutation processes produce radioactive material. So even if you could make gold, you might also create a radioactive headache. Now imagine a future where scientists discover an inexpensive method. The consequences would be enormous. Gold prices could collapse. Central bank reserves could lose value. Jewelry markets could be transformed. Entire industries would change overnight. The reason gold is valuable isn't just because it's beautiful, it's because it's rare. If anyone could manufacture unlimited gold, would it still be valuable? That's a question economists still debate. So, can copper become gold scientifically? Yes. Modern physics has proven it's possible. Practically? Not yet. Economically? Absolutely not. The ancient alchemists dreamed of creating gold. Today's scientists actually can. But nature still has the last laugh. Because making gold is easy. Making it cheaper than mining it? That's the real impossible challenge. And perhaps that's why gold remains one of the most valuable metals on Earth. Would you invest in gold if tomorrow scientists discovered a way to make unlimited amounts of it? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating science mysteries.